Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Tesla Model Y horn. Before starting, safety is paramount. First, power off your vehicle through the touchscreen service menu, then disconnect the low-voltage battery's negative terminal. Next, gather your tools, including a 10mm socket wrench, an extension, and a trim removal tool. Having the right compatible horn ready will make the process smooth and efficient. Now, let's get to the horn. Begin by turning your steering wheel fully to the left. This provides crucial working space. Next, use a trim removal tool to carefully detach the front left-hand fender garnish. Then, remove the 8 clips securing the wheel arch liner and gently pull it back. You might use an inflatable airbag to create more room, revealing the horn assembly. With access gained, locate the horn assembly. It's usually secured by one bolt. Use your 10mm socket wrench to remove this bolt, then carefully disconnect the 2 electrical connectors. Now, take your new horn and position it in the same spot. Secure it firmly with the mounting bolt, tightening it to 12 Nm or 8.8 pound-feet, and reconnect the 2 electrical plugs. Almost done. Begin reassembly by carefully repositioning the wheel arch liner and securing all 8 clips. Next, reattach the front left-hand fender garnish, ensuring it fits snugly. Finally, reconnect your low-voltage battery, power on your Tesla, and give that new horn a test honk. Enjoy your upgraded sound, knowing you did it yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.